In his history of painting, Alexander Benoit gave a separate high assessment of Adam Pynacker, calling him the most Italian Dutchman. After Pynacker spent 3 years in Italy, studying painting and traveling around, his works acquired some distinctive features that do indeed mean that they can be confused with Italian landscapists when people are making attributions. Pynacker's palette, however, does nonetheless display a truly Dutch range of ochre grey hues that artists could not have seen or produced beneath an Italian sun. Pynacker was particularly skilled at reproducing the lighting effects of late evening, when fluffy clouds pile up against a background of a golden sunset, while down below buildings can still be made out as a dark, yet limpid mass. In Boat at Sunset, the artist managed to convey with one and the same tone both the still clear, light sky and the already cool steely surface of the calm river. In the foreground, he depicted an episode typical for Holland, men getting things ashore after a successful day's trading. The barrels are being untied and gangplanks are about to be extended. Tomorrow peasants will arrive with their carts bringing fresh wares that will be loaded in the same containers.
本線に選手を向け挑発的な動きを見せています。今ザコを捨てました。大変ですか？本線に当てました。
はい、今の位置確認、今の位置確認。
本線に衝突しました。
今の位置確認。
頑張れ！
Pynacker was the son of a wine merchant, who was a member of the Vredschap, or city regency. He traveled to Italy and was gone for 3 years. In 1658 he converted to Catholicism in order to marry Eva Maria de Geest, Wybrand de Geest's daughter. 2 years later his portrait was painted by his father-in-law as a pendant to an earlier portrait of his wife. In Schiedam he baptized 2 children, but from 1661 until he died, he lived on the Rozengracht in Amsterdam.